this particular site is actually paying people nothing less than $100 to $200 for hours they spent on chatting with people. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ijoma Edwin and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, I do talk about how you can actually make money online for real, and YouTube hacks and tricks one can actually master to get views on YouTube, and so many other things that may be of interest to you. So don't forget to please hit the subscribe button if you have clicked this particular video, because it will be of help to me. I know that you clicked this video because you want to know if it's actually possible for someone to make money by just chatting with people online. But believe it or not, people actually are getting paid for chatting with lonely people online. So if you're the type that actually enjoys having this casual banter with people over text, over calls, over videos, then you may want to watch this video, because in this video I'll be listing out 5 sites one can actually earn money from by just chatting with people online, and I'll be telling you guys the advantages and the disadvantages of this particular site that I'll be listing out. So you want to stick around. So starting with the first one is rentafriend.com. So this one is actually primarily to those who want to meet somebody one-on-one. So this site is actually a rent, as the name implies. It rents out people, so some people are actually feeling lonely and they may want people that will meet them one-on-one, to talk, to have casual talks, to see, and it pays very, very well. So all you just have to do is you have to register on the site, tell them you're signing with your email, give them a little information about yourself, and people will actually book you if they need your own assistance. That is the advantage, because you're going to be paid. They pay $10 per hour, I think $10 to $15 per hour. So depending on the amount of hours you spend with that person, the person will actually pay you. But now this is actually the disadvantages of this rentafriend.com. So now the client may not be trustworthy, because imagine you meeting this person and the person tends to harm you or kidnap you or do something bad to you. It's actually risky, and I'm being honest, it's risky. So except you want to take that risk, you can go for rentafriend.com and collect your pay, but always know that there's a risk to everything. So the next one is Papa, joinpapa.com, and this Join Papa seems to be the wholesome one out of all. Yes, it is very wholesome. And why do I say it's wholesome? Because you tend to chat with elderly people that are elderly. You tend to meet clients that are elderly, and we all know that elderly people will need a companion is that they may be feeling quite lonely. So it's an advantage to you, because they'll pay you 15 hours per hour for you just to talk to these elderly people, make them not to feel alone at that particular time, say good things to them and all stuffs, and you're done, and they'll pay you your money. So I feel like this Papa is something that you all can go for. All you just have to do is register, fill their form and everything. They'll book you, and it's wholesome because you're meeting somebody elderly. But there may be a risk. There's always a risk to everything, and this risk that someone may fake being elderly and may harm you. That is just one thing, because this one means it seems as if you also meet these elderly people like rentafriend.com. The next one is Fiverr. We all know that Fiverr is a freelancing site. Like, the site does a whole lot of things. With Fiverr, one can actually get opportunities. One can actually do different things on Fiverr. But do you also know that Fiverr has a section of where you can actually get paid for just chatting with people? Yes, you can do all that in Fiverr. This is an example of what I'm saying up here. As you can see, people are actually charging people nothing less than $5 upward by just being their friend and talking with them online. You don't even have to meet them one-on-one. You just talk with them online and they will pay you. And one thing with Fiverr is you pay before service. So that is one good thing about Fiverr. So Fiverr is very nice. So all you just have to do is, if you go to fiverr.com, or if you're using Fiverr app, you register. when you're done registering, you make a gig of your choice. You make a gig telling people that, okay, I will charge you $5 or I'll charge you $10 by being your friend, chatting with you when you're lonely and all stuff. And one thing with Fiverr is you don't have to promote it. Fiverr will do that for himself. So that you just have to do on Fiverr. You even place your own price. In Fiverr, you are the master because you're the one pushing your price. Like, you're controlling everything that is going around you. So that is one good thing about Fiverr. So you can also use Fiverr to chat with lonely people online. Now the next one that I'll be mentioning is remote for you. So remote for you is a chat operator job. Yes, it's a job where you are being paid for chatting. You'll be like a chat operator. So what you have to understand with this remote for you is that if you're the kind of person that if you're the kind of person that is flirty, you can take anything, then you can go for this chat operator because it's broad. You can chat, you can make videos, you can call. But I don't think you'll be showing your face to these people with chat operator. You don't show your face, you just text. So if you're good at flirting text and all that, if you're the kind of person that you want to do all those stuff, then you can go for chat operator. And they pay very well. Chat operator pays very, very high. They pay for, this is what they pay for. For 4 to 5 hours someone spends, they pay nothing less than from $50 to $100. So it's something that one can actually think of doing within a week, and the person is making $1,000. But this is one thing with remote for you. Remote for you is when you go to remote for you site, you have to apply, and they'll have to send you an email to know that yes, you are now a chat operator. They will have to send you an email. So if they did not send you an email, they don't want you. So they have to send you an email. It's left for you to check your email after you have applied to see if actually you can be a chat operator. But the pay is high actually. That is just one thing I want to let you know. It's high, but it also warrants you being flirty and all that. So if it's something you want to do, you can go for it. Now the last but not the least that I'm mentioning is friend PC. Friend PC, not friend personal computer. It's just friend PC on Google. So now friend PC, it gives you a multi-purpose way of earning money online other than chat. This friend PC is not a dating site. Now, it's not a dating site. That is one advantage. It's not a dating site. It's a site where you can be a virtual girlfriend. I don't know if you understand virtual girlfriend. Like, somebody is gonna pay you just to be their fake girlfriend. You're not their girlfriend, but they'll pay you for being their fake girlfriend. That is virtual girlfriend. But still yet, you can be a virtual friend. You can just normalize being a virtual friend, and people will still pay you for that. So friend PC is good. You don't have to be flirty and all that. So it's quite wholesome, and it's something that I recommend that you all can go into. So with these videos I've mentioned, you can actually make money from it. Yes, it's possible to make money chatting with people. I've confirmed it. You can also give it a try, and don't forget to always subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop in the comment section what you want me to make a video on.